Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Robinhood money stuck in event contracts, settlement time, pending bets and payout issue. So fix one is cancel active limit order. Open the Robinhood app, then go to the crypto or investing tab. Locate the specific event contract, then check for any active limit sell order. Select the order and tap cancel order. Second fix is force liquidity by lowering your price. Navigate back to the contract page, then select the sell option. Change the order type to limit order. Adjust your asking price closer to the current bid price. Submit the order to achieve an instant fill. Third fix is allow one business day for settlement. Wait one full business day after the event conclude. Ensure the official regulatory body has certified the outcome. Monitor the buying tab for fund movement. Fund will automatically transfer to the buying power tab once cleared. Fourth fix is check app and network restrictions. Force close and restart the Robinhood app. Check your phone's app store for any pending update. Log in via a desktop web browser to verify if your funds are visible there. Thanks for watching.